Today I am going to analyze the movements of gold futures. Here we have seen that how gold futures find a strong support at the 20 days moving average during the first week of January. Since then we have seen a spurt in gold rally where I find that this week's bullish move which has capped gold futures at $2827. So here I would like to tell you that my short position will start. I'm at this zone from the levels of $2832 with a stop loss at the levels of $2913. So here my stop loss level will be at 3% above the short position and my targets will be at the levels of $2496 for the upcoming weeks. So this trading range will be up to April 7, 2025. So here you can see that how the gold futures have created this rally. Undoubtedly, the gold futures could start an exhaustion from this level as the tariff trade policies by the President Trump could result in rising inflation. So therefore this rally was seen in gold futures, but I find that the Federal Reserve's stance on yesterday for keeping the interest rate as it is without any cut, but here most of the Fed members are not in favor of raising any cuts, but here I find that the going to see a spurt in interest rate hikes during the upcoming weeks by the Fed, which could result in a sharp decline in precious metals, where the immediate support can be seen in a weekly time frame at the levels of $2704, and the second support will be at $2695, and here a breakdown by gold futures will result in a sharp selling if the gold futures are not able to sustain the 20 days moving average during the upcoming week. We'll see a sharp decline in gold prices where the gold futures could test the 50 days moving average, which is the next support for the gold bulls, from where once again a rally could be seen. But I find that gold futures will remain in negative territory, as here you can see that after finding a breakout well above this immediate resistance, gold futures have entered in a selling zone of this uptrend channel, where I find that any upward move from this level will attract bears to go short from here. Undoubtedly, a sharp selling could follow this move during the next week if the gold futures are not able to defend immediate support at the levels of $2801, and a weekly closing this week will result in a sharp sell-off during the upcoming week in gold futures. So let us check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the gold futures are maintaining well above the immediate resistance at $2801, but this move is still inside the selling zone, which is called a overbought territory in a daily time frame. So here I find that today we could see a sharp decline in gold futures, where a closing in a daily time frame well at the levels of $2783 will confirm a sharp sell-off that may continue during the upcoming weeks, where the immediate supports can be seen at the 20 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2729, and the next support will be at the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2681. So friends, be ready to take action at this point, because this will be a good opportunity. If we go short from here, from the levels of $2831, we'll see a sharp decline from here. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.